Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P60F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P60F only works when plugged in, it's a clear indication that your battery may be failing. This issue often arises from battery wear and tear over time or a faulty charging circuit. If left unresolved, it can lead to complete device failure or further complications. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new battery compatible with the Dell P60F, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off. Begin by turning it upside down and locating the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Then, take your plastic opening tool and gently slide it along the edges of the back panel to unclip it. Once you've safely removed the back panel, you will see the battery positioned near the bottom. To identify if it's the culprit, check for any swelling or damage. If you notice any issues, you can proceed to extract the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it with your fingers or a plastic tool, ensuring you do not damage the surrounding components. Once disconnected, unscrew the battery from its compartment. It typically uses a couple of Phillips screws. Apply steady pressure when removing the screws, and be careful not to strip them. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and position it in the same slot. Reconnect the battery connector securely and replace the screws to hold it in place. Before closing the back panel, double-check that all cables are correctly connected and that there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it down firmly until you hear it click into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back panel. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check your battery's health and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods when fully charged. Additionally, try to keep your device in a temperature-controlled environment, as extreme heat can also damage the battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.